Cristiano has a special finishing ability. I don't know if it's magical or divine, but it is unique.
He's a goal machine who always wants to score more goals.
And one of the first conversations, I said, I want to be the best player in the world.
How old were you when you came over to join Manchester United? You were just 18?
18
years old. And you'd already left home at 12, I think, to go to Lisbon, so you were used to living away from home.
Sir Alex knew about his qualities. He knew what I thought about the player. And he also knew that I was absolutely determined and would do anything to sign Cristiano Ronaldo for Manchester United. He also knew that if he wasted time, Real Madrid would go to Lisbon and take Cristiano Ronaldo to Spain with them.
We had an agreement with him anyway. It was only accelerated that night because of his performance against us, which was really exciting. But we had an agreement with Sporting Lisbon. They would join us the next year. So we did our work. We spoke to the boy after the game. We spoke to his mother, spoke to his agent. We got him on a private plane the next morning into Manchester and got the deal done before people could blink. And that's when you've got a decision to make it quickly.
Ronaldo showing interest, and a mistake from Kedru, and Cristiano Ronaldo will put...
Great run by Evra for Manchester United, and Ronaldo.
Ronaldo's header!
With 9 minutes to go, has put Manchester United back in front.
Terrific header from Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo at the far post, it's towards Cristiano Ronaldo! The poor header, and Ronaldo! 2 in 2 minutes, and this game now is going United's way.
Fires this one in, and that's a great save. Ronaldo there to confirm.
9 minutes, that's all it's taken. Ronaldo! A cheek. Might just have a go. Big chance here because look, with Cristiano Ronaldo.
I think I am an ambitious player, and and this is my life. This is what I love to do.
He has a special gift to be in the right place at the right time, and to use his ability to make the right decision. That is not something all of the players in the world can do. Even among the best, only some have that special gift of being able to anticipate things which most players cannot even see.
But coming here and meeting British people and having to work with Sir Alex Ferguson, that must have been quite a shock in some ways, I imagine.
Not really. It was the key why I'm moving here to England. Because I remember I had a conversation with him when we play Sporting against Manchester, and we had a quick chat, and he told me, listen, I'm interested in you. I want that to join us in Manchester. It was the key. So it's unbelievable person. He treated me very good. As I say many times, he's like a father for me in football. So I have to appreciate what he did for me. I passed 6 years in Manchester, very good. I win many titles in terms of collective and individual. It was unbelievable timing for me here.
What things do you remember then? What things did he help you with? Which things did he teach you about to become a better footballer or a better person?
Well, it teaches me in both ways. In terms of personal stuff, I just have to say thank you for what you did for me. Especially when I remember the thing that I have more in my memory is the time when my father was sick in hospital. And we had in a tough moment of the season because we have a had important games in the Champions League, in the league. And I say, coach, I need to go to see my daddy. And I was a key player. I was a very important player. And he said, listen, your family is the most important that you have in life. If you want to go 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, you can go. These moments is what I keep for me, because it was the most important moments in my life. And he shared with me. This is why I respect him. And for me, is the best coach I ever had.
Hoy recibimos a Cristiano Ronaldo.
Y decimos todos a la Madrid, ¿vale?
Cristiano Ronaldo, здорово, надо забивать гол. Ronaldo turns into trouble, brilliant footwork. Top of the Spanish Championship, Cristiano Ronaldo! And then Ronaldo! There's a fair amount of worry amongst the Marseille support. Relationship is non-existent with the Spanish media at the moment. He's Ronaldo! Di Maria. Oh, it's a wonderful... They all back away from him again, and he shoots. Oh, it's got it. For many, but for this man, certainly. There's Ronaldo.
Vamos a mudar.
As far as Di Maria. Cristiano Ronaldo, great feet. Cristiano Ronaldo. Big build-up from the supporters. Oh, yeah.
Monstruo! Cristiano remata gol!
Well, it's official. Cristiano Ronaldo is now a Juventus player.
Ora largo per Ronaldo, Ronaldo! Di rigore, va Cristiano, Ronaldo! Numero 38, cambia il parziale! Palla in mezzo! Cristiano! Ronaldo limite dalla rigore, buono dribbling in sinistro, gol! Cristiano, mancino improvviso, gol! Destro, va Cristiano, Ronaldo! E Cristiano, gol! Morda Ronaldo con il destro! Ronaldo, gol! Il traversone sul palo lungo verso Ronaldo!
Cristiano, how does it feel to be able to call yourself a United player again?
Well, as you know, I had a fantastic history with this amazing club. I was there with 18 years old, and of course I'm so happy to be back home after 12 years. So I'm really glad and looking forward to start my first game. As everyone knows, since I signed for Manchester with 18, Sir Alex Ferguson was the key. I remember when we played against Manchester, I was in Sporting Lisbon. And for me, Sir Alex Ferguson is like a father in football for me. He helped me a lot. He taught me many things. And in my opinion, of course, he had a big role because the relationship that we had, we keep in touch all the time, and it's an unbelievable person, and I really like him a lot, and he was the main key for me to be in the position that I am, that I signed for Manchester United.